name is Shanay Braxton, and I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator. And today I'm giving you a bit of a life update. A lot has happened over the past couple of months, and I'm really excited to share with you what's going on. In about 10 minutes, I'm going to be in a meeting with my very first retreat client. She reached out to me a few months ago and mentioned that she wanted me to help her coordinate a retreat. So we actually signed the contract. I'm officially her retreat project manager. We've been meeting twice a week now to organize all of the logistics and details of the retreat. What I want to go through today with her is what CRM she's using, because that's going to help determine how we're distributing the communications about the retreat. We're in about week 3 of planning. I'm excited to go through this process with her and to really clarify what my offer looks like as a retreat project manager. She and I actually have history together. I was her intern when I was living in New York, and now I'm running my own business. Thursdays are normally pretty busy. So after this meeting, I have another meeting with the Urban League, which is the Thursday mastermind. While I'm listening to the meeting, I prepare dinner, and then I have my money meeting today, which I've been falling off of my money meetings, and I really have to get back on them. I might change my money meetings. Right now, they're on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30. I'm either gonna change the day or change the time. So we'll see. But I'm about to jump into this meeting. We didn't get to talk last time about the CRM. I wanted today to be more of a technical day thing, and then just the updates if you have any updates.
Okay, we can start with the updates. So this is what we would use. Like I said, we can build out. It's called Connectedly. And the whole purpose of it is working like a funnel, everything being in one area. Like I said, not having all these different apps, not having to integrate everything.
I just wrapped up the meeting, and that was very productive. We're still in the initial phases of the CRM. We're talking about how information about the retreat is going to be distributed, that I can create that project management workflow that the team needs in order to implement all of the steps for the landing page for the retreat. And that meeting actually went for 2 hours, and I need to cook dinner. Moussa is about to come home, and he'll probably end up helping me with dinner. I'm about to get started because I normally like to have dinner ready before he gets home. But I gotta call Erica back because we're planning something for tomorrow. Hey.
Hey, my thanks.
I didn't get a chance to read them. It was about tomorrow.
Yeah.
What should I bring? Maybe we can make a smoothie. I can bring fruit, frozen fruit for smoothies.
Yeah, you can do that. I still got those berries you froze.
Oh, the blueberries? Yeah, we can use those. Okay. And then I have some frozen bananas. And I can bring orange juice, banana, blueberry, and orange juice smoothie. That's pretty good.
I brought these mini brownies.
And it's at 6.
Yeah.
I will talk to you tomorrow.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. Plus, have a good night.
Alright, love you. Good night.
I'm super excited because we're watching Hocus Pocus 2 tomorrow. We're doing a virtual Hocus Pocus 2 party between my mom and my best friend and her mom and me and Erica. I was gonna watch it here, but I'm just gonna go over to her house and watch it. And we need to make a party platter. It's supposed to be Halloween theme, but I don't know if what she got is Halloween theme, and I'm planning to bring stuff for a smoothie. It's okay. We still gonna have fun. By the way, because that meeting ended up going for 2 hours, I ended up missing my Urban League meeting. They had a training today that I was looking forward to, but that's okay because she's an actual client and I need to be focused and make sure that I complete this project with excellence. Now I need to do my expense tracking. I do it every Tuesday and Thursday, and I missed this past Tuesday, so I have some catching up to do. So that's what I'm about to do while I wait for dinner to be finished.
say no?
I'm asking you.
I like it. I'm eating them.
Yeah, you know it. I don't got it all planned out, but you know, I just watch it all pan out, 'cause I know that you know, covered in this life until forever. I don't got it all planned out, but you know.
So tomorrow, we're going to watch Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus.
What is that?
It's a movie. It's a Halloween movie. I would invite you, but you're going to be at work.
What?
And it started at 6. Yeah.
Where are you gonna watch that?
At Eric's house. After dinner, I normally will pack Moussa's lunch. I like to do it before bed so that when he gets up, it's ready. All he has to do is put it in his backpack and he's good to go. Normally, I like to make enough food so that he has food for lunch and for dinner. It just makes life a lot easier when we have enough for both. Normally, he'll have a meat and the sauce, and then the rice is on the side. Moussa,
Yeah.
do you want all of this?
Which one?
And then you want me to save the rest?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you like the sauce I made? We made it together. I don't pack lunch for me just because we have a cafeteria at work and they prepare food for us. But sometimes I will pack lunch. It just depends. This is his lunch from yesterday. Like to recycle the Ziploc bags, so I'll put the same thing. If it's dry or wet, I'll put the same. So in addition to making lunch, I'll pack him something for breakfast too. Sometimes he doesn't have time to eat breakfast here before he goes to work, so I pack it to eat at work. Which one do you want? This one or the other one? Nuts of both? This one? Did you eat the nuts? You ate them? You want some more? Okay, so I packed his lunch. Now, what I will do is just straighten up the kitchen, and then I need to finish doing some work before I go to bed. Now that I've finished organizing the kitchen and packing Moussa's lunch, there are a few more things that I need to do before I wrap up the night. Then I'm off to bed. Okay, so tonight I was able to do my money meeting. So I finished the budget before we ate dinner. And then after dinner, I packed Moussa's lunch. I just need to go through and check a couple of emails really quick before bed just to make sure that I'm not missing anything important. And then once that's done, I'm off to bed. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I miss vlogging, so I decided to just share with you a quick snippet of a day in the life. Let me know in the comments what your evenings look like, and I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye.